SMTP email error 354. How to resolve solved. Warmy blog. Welcome to Warmy blog's video guide on how to resolve SMTP email error 354. Let's dive into effective solutions to fix this common email delivery issue and restore smooth communication. Firstly, check your internet connection. A poor or unstable connection can interrupt the communication between your email client and the SMTP server, leading to error 354. Next, review your firewall and antivirus settings. Overly restrictive configurations may block outgoing SMTP traffic, preventing emails from being sent. Ensure your SMTP server settings are correct. Incorrect server address, port number, or login credentials are common culprits behind error 354. Another issue could be the size of your email attachments. Sending emails with attachments that exceed the server's limits can trigger error 354. Lastly, consider the server's capacity. Error 354 may occur if the SMTP server is overloaded or experiencing high traffic, especially during peak times. Warmy.io optimizes email deliverability and resolves SMTP error 354 by evaluating sender reputation, email content, and recipient behavior. It checks blacklists and verifies SPF, DKIM, and DMARC configurations to enhance email safety. The free deliverability test improves campaigns and prevents SMTP errors. Warmy.io also provides an SPF checker and DMARC record generator for proper email authentication. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve SMTP email error 354, ensuring your emails are delivered without any hitches. Thank you for watching our video. For more troubleshooting tips and tech solutions, subscribe to the Warmy blog channel. Happy emailing! Just a friendly reminder as you exit, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to stay connected with our upcoming releases.